If you have one of these GNC boosters and it's working shitty, you know, I'll show you how to revive it. Right. I'm using this for 3 years. It's awesome. It's very good. It's the best booster I ever had, and now it's not holding charge. But I'll show you how to make it live again. Right? What we do first, we have to unscrew all the screws. Have to unscrew all the screws from all the screws, right? I already unscrewed all of them instead of 2, but I'll show you right now. Don't lose the screws. Right. This is simple. There's a battery and a lot of other stuff. We just have to take the battery out, put the new battery in. I bought this battery from eBay for $30. I believe you can get it even cheaper. You know, should last for a couple years. What we do next is I use number 8mm socket and 5/16 because I don't have the other 8mm socket, so I'll use just this 5/16 just to hold the other screw on the end. And then we just unscrew the terminal. No? Alright, okay guys, I just actually figured out what was the problem. The thing is the battery itself is glued to the plastic case. Right? So I used the screwdriver, actually 2 screwdrivers, just to pry it out. Just put it under the battery and little by little, just not to break the case, and just work it out. Right? So then take the old battery out, put it here, take the new battery, place it in, okay, it's good. Now you just put the wires back on the terminals.